in this video, I'm going to show you how to load a new roll on your machine. Okay. So when you're loading on a new roll, you always want to keep in mind your core size. Our papers offer two different sizes. We have a 2-inch here, and some of our papers, like our canvas, has a little bit wider and it's a 3-inch. When you do have your 3-inch cores, we have these adapters for those rolls. So they are labeled right and left for their specific size.
This right adapter is going to slide all the way through the pole here. These 2 prongs down will fit right into the 2 little holes. And to take off the adapter, flip it over, pinch the 2 prongs, and it'll slide right out. Your left adapter is going to go with the black wheel without the pole. You're going to line it up against the ridges here, and it's going to slide right in. Turn it over, pinch, and pull. So always keep your box. If you need to replace your roll that's currently inside the machine, you may take it and place it back in its original box so it stays nice and clean, and so you know what type of material it is.
Once you've figured out your core size, next is waterfall. Always think waterfall, or the correct way to put toilet paper. Your paper is always going to want to feed over and not under. Okay, so since it is over, we are going to grab our right side first. Place it in. Make sure that it's nice and pressed against there. Blue side always out. Place that in. We're going to lock that in. Grab the right wheel. We're going to load it back on here. And we're going to lock it in.
So you're going to load in your paper right over these rollers here. You're going to keep feeding the machine, and you're actually going to give it a little bit of slack. You're going to feed it a little bit extra till it looks like this. So it's going to ask you what type of paper you're loading in, and it'll have the last 3 that you as a memory as to what was loaded in. To select, you'll go to custom, and we have all of the different options. And in this case, we are loading in the enhanced map. Select it,